CEO and founder of TradeSpoon. Today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the day, see if the market has reached the bottom. That's the discussion. Optionscreening.com is the link. If this is the first time you see this slide, I encourage you to visit optionscreening.com to understand the risk associated and suitability associated with trading stock or options. I'm going to go to a specific trade signal, so it's important to understand the risk associated. Also, we have a workshop on Friday, 9:30 a.m. Central, 10:30 a.m. East. Hopefully you can join me. But let's look at the Spider's 10-day prediction for today. Model C's 500 is your main support, key support, which I don't think short-term will be able to break. Overhead resistance 530. Model did a good job predicting today 528.92. We closed at 528.30. So spot on, bullish trend, potentially retracing back to the recent highs at 550. And I agree with the model. If you zoom out to same model, but looking at the 6 months trend, where each data point is 1 month as opposed to 1 day, before the Liberation Day, right, before the escalation in tariffs, Model C 550 is the key support. Now, what used to be support, now that we have the new information about the tariffs and uncertainty in the market, and VIX is at 60, obviously 550 didn't help, but now that is the main overhead resistance. That is the main overhead resistance. Bitcoin looks like it's trying to break out, and this is a good proxy for risk taking. So Bitcoin is able to get above 50-day moving average, pretty bullish price pattern and proxy for risk taking. And S&P is up 2.5%. Still underperforming Bitcoin, underperforming Japanese market and European market. The trade away from United States is still on. But nonetheless, we were able to stage a rally. So I think on positive news, as long as we're above 520, I would say that it opens the door to retest 550. All right, we'll see Tesla actually as we speak. What's the Tesla? Initial reaction was neutral, but it looks like market is grinding up 2.5%. All right, so Tesla's earnings, we're still in the middle of the earnings season, so we'll see what the market will look like. I'm long JP Morgan, right? I bought yesterday the June call spread and now May call spread. I will close half of the country, but I'm bullish JP Morgan short term. I think we can get to 550. Any positive news like finding a compromise or reaching a tariff agreement can propel us even beyond 550. We do see all the signs of bottoming process in place. So I think the bottoming process usually results to the upside, assuming there is no black swan event. So I'm bullish short term. Please join me on YouTube. We do have a TradeSpoon channel. Search for the word TradeSpoon. Sign up. We do have videos on market conditions and live events. So hopefully you can join me there. Thank you very much and have a great day.